Hi, let's make some cupcakes. Grab a bowl. We're gonna need 4 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix everything very well until it's well combined. It's gonna look like this. Grab your mix, add it to the bowl. Add some chopped chocolate if you want. Mix everything very well until it's well combined. Your batter is supposed to look like this. See how light that is. Place your cupcake liners in the pan. Add your cake batter evenly. These are done. I put 2 tablespoons each. At the meantime, I'm preheating my oven to 350 and I'll bake them for 16 to 18 minutes. Cupcakes are done. Let's make our frosting. Grab a bowl, add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix it for 10 minutes. Frosting's ready. Let's decorate our cupcakes. Easy and simple. I'll sprinkle them with some sugar pearls. You can top them with anything you have. You can top it with anything you want. I'm putting some glitter. Et voila! They look really good. Easy and simple. Nothing complicated. Yep, look at this. They look so beautiful. Can't wait to try them.